Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Right now we're back in the wood yard at the Wolfe Ridge factory and we're getting ready to ship out this 17VS-C. This is going out to one of C&M Equipment's customers in Oregon, and they asked if I would do a quick video with this, and we're going to show you a new accessory that we're prototyping specifically for the vertical splitters. I'm going to leave this thing hooked up to my truck for this video, so I'm not putting the outriggers down. I'm going to start this up, we'll put the conveyors out, and then I will show you the new accessory. This machine has got the IGX 700 V-twin on it with EFI and electronic governor, so it's very easy to start. We will turn the key on, let the fuel pump go, and as soon as that's done, then we'll crank it. We got it running. I'm gonna go up just a couple here. Put the log lift down. Then I'll put the conveyor down. Conveyor on. Now the pieces that we're going to be using today are not the best. This isn't supposed to be a stress test of this machine. We're just basically going to split this apart and show you this accessory. So one of the things that can happen when running a vertical splitter, whether it be a Wolfe Ridge or any other brand, is the table can get kind of slick, especially in winter conditions, or if you've got a bunch of sawdust up here, and you can sometimes, that can sometimes lead to a kickout condition. So what we did was we came up with a couple of different plate insert ideas, and we're going to test those right here in this video. This is the first time that this has been sitting on this machine. This one you can see just has circles cut out of it, and we've got 4 carriage bolt holes here, so if we did decide that we want to keep it fastened to the machine, we could drill these holes, put carriage bolts in, and those would not interfere with operation. We've got a beveled edge here, so as we slide the wood up, that shouldn't interfere with things too much, and this should make a pretty big difference on kickouts, so let's give it a shot. All right, we're gonna start this back up. David brought his truck over here. This is some kind of punky oak we're gonna split up, so we're gonna send it home with him for some campfires. We'll leave it right there. Most noticeable with the kickouts when, if we split this 4 ways, that's not going to be much kickout opportunity. But if we kick this thing into small kindling pieces, that's where the kickouts tend to happen more. So I'm going to split this first piece here like as small as I can and see if the plate helps. I don't think I could do that. I'm saying though, I'm simulating it, you know.
Sure.
I don't know, dude. I feel like I would have had something kicking by now. So we just got done running this machine for probably about 7 or 8 minutes. I did take a couple of diagonal cut pieces and they actually worked really well with this. If you watched when I was splitting, they would have a tendency to slide over, but they'd catch inside of one of these round holes here. So this could end up being a good accessory. We are going to send it out to this customer that bought this VS-C, as he makes a lot of firewood and a lot of small splits like this. So he's going to get some good testing with this, and we'll have more feedback on this in the next couple of weeks. All right, again, guys, this was just a prototype. So this video, we're just in the testing stage. This is not available yet from us. Maybe in a few weeks, we'll have some more feedback on it and we can offer it to you. In the meantime, if you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. There you can find all of our pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, and event schedule. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.